Rotokawa, he whenua taurikura I te rawhiti o Rotorua e tohi ana I tēnei wā.
In November last year, when I heard from our kaumātua who live here that they were given a letter from the trustees of this place to vacate the housing here and the whenua here by the last day of April.
Hei tā Kiriona, e whai ana te tarehiti o Rotokawa Bathes Reservation ki te whakatū I ngā whare whā te kaumā ono mō te hunga tū matanui me te hanga whare tia ki tāne ka tai anō ka puta I te whare here here.
I've got to continue to fight to get this facility up and running because there's so much that can come off it. I mean, it's going to be sad if there's got to be fights along the way, but I have to fight for this kaupapa.
Ko Ngāti Uenukukōpako Iwi Trust, te rōpū e whai ana ki te hanga whare. Ko Tikanga Āroro Charitable Trust o Pū Whakamua, te hunga e whai ana he rautaki kia hanga whare hou mō ngā tāne I puta I ngā whare here here. A kua whiwhi whakaitanga no te tarehiti o Rotokawa Bathes Reservation, mana whenua o Rotokawa.
We built our plans and everything here around serving our kaumātua in that village. So we had no say and never have I ever supported displacing any kaumātua.
So on this side of the res, we have Pū Whakamua, behind our bathhouse, cool kaupapa, but shouldn't be on this land, shouldn't be on that wāhi tapu. We have been trying to engage, get some transparency, get some information from the trustees, more details, but a lot of it hasn't been forthcoming. The fear here was that if I didn't get involved, if I didn't take this take to social media to create some awareness, that the likelihood of our kaumātua being pushed from this land would happen in darkness. Some of the kaumātua here have asked me to advocate for them. That has the potential to kill the legacy our uncle and our old people have left behind.
Hei tā Kiriona, ko hiko hō he pāranga tiro o te aroa I ngā tau ko tahi mano iwarau ono te kau, nāna I ārahi te iwi mana whenua o Rotokawa, kia rāhui tia te whenua nā te mahi kino o ngā kau o ngā kai pāmu.
They went into the Māori Land Court and they said to the judge, we would like to reserve this 2 hectares around our baths so we can fence it off from the farm, so that our people can continue to have a rongoa to bathe in. The judge allowed that to happen and it was gazetted for that purpose. In the 80s, one of the needs that arose was housing for our kaumātua. So they then varied or added to the purpose of the reservation, kaumātua housing.
I toro atu a Aukaha ki te tarehiti o Rotokawa Bathes Reservation me Ngāti Uenukukōpako Iwi Trust mo tēnei take, engari, auare ake.
I'm like water. I'm just moving forward. I'm moving forward because I'm going to make a decision for my people that some people don't want to make. I'm going to make a decision for the well-being of Te Aroa.
Nā reira, he aha te anga whakamua mo tēnei take.
We're talking with our lawyer to lodge an application for an injunction.
He oi anō e tāria tonu tiana e Billy Ma te whakaitanga a te kaunihera I mua I te kōkiritanga o ngā mahi. Herewini Waikato, Aukaha.